works, just give me 1 second. I will show the demonstration live right now. Perfect. Okay. Whose phone is this? Okay, this is yours. Sorry. So basically, what happened was, guys, first I am going to show you something which is very interesting, which might be of interest to you. Do you know what this is? You still didn't understand what this is, right? Can you read these?
This is a SQL query from a database.
Can you give me, do you have any professor out here? Can you give me the name of any professor in your college? SB, but the SB is not a name.
Siddharth Bhattacharya.
SIDD. No, he's not there. Siddharth Datta? No. Give me some name. ABI. This is his user ID, and I'm not going to zoom in because I will show his password also. What you just saw was the dump of the total database of every single user. User basically meaning all your professors. Of the website. And I promise you, when you come down, I'll tell you how this happened and how I could see this. And you'll be surprised to know, I did not even have to hack into this website to get this data. I'll talk about this more in the workshop, and I promise you that I'll show you how I get this. Fair enough? Okay? Let's come to the second demonstration. Okay? I think that will be a little more interesting to you, no? Let me see. So what happened was, can I see your phone? So this was his phone, guys. Let's come to the second demonstration. He had a very smart phone. This phone, he gave me in my hand, and I took it for 1 or 2 minutes, right, where I did something. And I gave it back to him. So there I gave it back to him. So this phone was with me in my hand only for 2 minutes where I did something. It happened 2 minutes and not 20 seconds because the internet was very slow. That is the reason it took 2 minutes. Ideally it should take 20 seconds to 30 seconds if it was a fast internet. That's a 3G. This is not a 3G, it was an edge connection. So it took me 2 minutes. But I have given back his phone in his hand. Let's see what I was able to do in these 2 minutes. So my screen says, select a device to get started. Right? Zoom in. Okay, I hope you can see. It said, select a device to get started. Let's see how many devices do I have. I have a lot of devices. These are all test devices, okay? Let me see the first device. Is this your phone, sir? Is that your IMEI number? Are you sure? Good. Are you scared? Don't worry, you've just started. So it says click to select this device. Okay? I'm going to click here. Lovely. It asks me, talk for 1500 seconds. Is this your girlfriend? Lovely. Good. So as you can see, there are so many calls which are available. And the total database, every single call, yeah. So 451 calls, it's all there, and I can see that. Let's go to the next step. Let's see what more have I got. Okay. Let's go and let's see. I'm going to click on SMS. Okay. I am not going to take the risk. And of course the GPS and everything. I'm not going to take that risk of going inside. My friend, this is a universally rated seminar. It's a U-rated seminar, but I can't go into the browsing history, right? And I'll tell you the best part. How much time did... Okay, by the way, what I just showed you, that is the software, right? Did I show you the software which I have purchased from a Germany or a Turkey or a Russia? Absolutely not. 250,000 lines of code, line by line, written by people like you and me in our labs, is what I showed you. This was not a software where we have purchased it. It's line by line coded by people like you and me sitting out here. So firstly, this was not a random software which I showed you. It's an absolutely in-house software that we have developed. It's a non-commercial software. We don't sell this software because I'm sure you know the misuse of this software. And you know the number of Valentines who will be there, Valentines will drop down drastically if you start using this software. And a lot of other implications, right? So of course we don't sell this software. And this is only for the demonstration that if I take somebody's phone for 1 minute in my hand, what is really possible? Do you know what is really possible? What I just showed you was not even 10% of the data, what I can really get access to. What am I trying to say? Let me explain. Because of the time which is less, I'm not going to do this, but I'll tell you how I can go further. Can I see his inbox? Can I see his SMS? Yes, I can. What is the next step that I can do? I'll tell you. So, just a second. So, do you have a Gmail account? Yes, you do. Do you have a backup mobile number which is associated to your account? Yes, you do. If I go to gmail.com right now and I click on forgot my password, it will send me a verification code to whose phone? His phone. Can I see his SMS? By the way, that is a real-time, lifetime access which I have on his phone. That's lifetime access. Can I see that code that Gmail will send him? Yes, I can. If I can see that code, can I reset his password? Yes, I can. Do I have complete access to all his emails, to his chats? Yes, I do. Next step. So, do you have a Facebook account? Yes. Is that Facebook account connected to Gmail? Yes, it is. Facebook account connected to gmail.com. If I go to Facebook and I click on forgot my password, it will send me a verification code to Gmail. Do I already have an access to this Gmail? Yes. Can I get a complete access of this Facebook and Twitter? Do you want me to do it right now? Obviously, I will not do it, but I'm sure that you saw the thing that I can do it right now. minute. Remember guys, the goal was to tell you, please understand what have you learned from this. Will you ever give your phone to anybody for 10 seconds also in anybody's hand? Will you do that after today? That was the goal of showing you this demonstration. Now you are secured, and that is the main goal of the workshop also, to train you on how you secure yourself in the virtual space. Thank you so much. I guess that was all about the total thing.